Hi, this is David Marsh with EminiTradingStrategies.com. Today we're day trading the S&P 500 E-minis. We're using Pro indicator for the entries. We have my 150 tick to the right and a 233 tick to the left. Both already show a short normal system entry as illustrated by that little dot. So we don't take trades just before the bell. We are looking for a pullback trade. Those hash marks on my left, those are the pullback entries. Right now it's 1019.75. It's probably going to downtick to 1019.50. So I'm going to wait a couple more seconds here before I place the order. Either going to be at 1975 or 50. Let's go ahead and place the order here at 75. Let's move it down to 50. Already updated. Okay, so we got a short entry here at 1019.50. Let's see if the market wants to come up and fill us. We have rules that would cancel this trade that I teach in the Tick Trader course. If that happens, I will cancel the trade. If it doesn't, I will keep the trade alive. Oh, well, we're not going to cancel. Let's see if we can get filled. Okay, we're filled. We're looking for a 4-tick target on this trade. I do teach, as I've discussed in other videos, if there's room from our pullback entry to the bottom with the swing low there 1850 to make a little bit more, we would make more, but there's not a lot of room in there. When you get a lot of downside conviction and a big move down, then there's sometimes 6-7 ticks in there from the pullback entry to the bottom where you could go in there and grab anywhere from 4 to 6 ticks. But right now we're just going to go for 4 ticks. Moving against just a couple of ticks, but we're going to stay into it. You'll also see on my right there we had a long EET. Just as I went short, the next bar had a long EET signal. That's more of an aggressive strategy, but had you taken that trade, it would have already won. Now, our pullback trade may lose. We don't know. If it does, we'll have to recover. But both of these setups could both win. The EET already won. It's already made its 4-tick target. Hopefully, this pullback trade this market will turn back around and make us a winning trade on a pullback as well. So just to illustrate that both strategies work very well together. You could take an EET or a pullback. They may both win, and then they may both lose, but we do have a winning EET there on the right side. I do take my EETs off the 150 tick, but I elected to take a pullback trade based off of my system rules. So we'll see if we can get a profitable trade here on the pullback. Looks like it's going back down here. So we got some low volume here during summer, so it's not moving all that quick, but we're just going to follow the rules, let the trade play out. Now, had we taken this long EET, we would have made a profit on that. We're getting ready to signal another EET, quite possibly, which of course we cannot get in because we're so short on the pullback trade. So market's moving back up against us here, but we got our stop loss in. And just wait and see what this market wants to do. I was going to try to get a couple trades in today on this video, but I'm very limited how much time I can make these videos. So if this doesn't pan out quick enough, I'll just have to stop the. Here we go. We're heading back down towards the money here. We got 3 ticks. Okay, I'm going to move my stop loss to break even here to entry after I see 4 ticks print. And let's see if the market can come back down here and print us here, get us a fill at 18.5. We never did have a short EET. It was close to signaling, but it never did signal. Okay, we got 4 ticks profit. That's one and done for me. I typically stop the day right there, but we're going to go ahead and see if we can catch one more trade. Let's wait and see what this market wants to do. Also, right now, my rules are telling us to avoid normal system entries. Of course, I teach all the rules in the Tick Trader day trading course. So we're going to avoid all the NSEs right now. Right now, we're just going to kind of hold off and see what this market wants to do. We see some more conviction to the downside. We may take a pullback trade. If not, we may just take an EET. We had a pullback example. Maybe we'll do an EET example. Going to have to wait and see how this plays out at this point. Going to have to watch the clock. I got to keep these videos under 7 or 8 minutes. But during normal volume days, we'll typically have several good trades within the first 10 to 15 minutes of the opening bell on the S&P 500 E-minis. And it's looking like we're going to go ahead and take an EET entry on the right hand side. It's setting up for an EET. I do have my another monitor up with the charts up with all my indicators. There we go. There's an EET entry. I'm going to tread along here at 10:19. And my mouse is not working here. Here we go. Sorry about that. My mouse froze up. I have one of those battery powered mice. It looks like the battery may have slowed down there. Anyways, we're long an EET. We do have 2 bars to enter the trade. We did enter. I kind of hesitated there as my mouse didn't want to move. But we are long an EET. We're avoiding the normal system entry, so an EET would be the trade to make. I'm going to get ready to move my stop loss here to my entry price if 1020 gets touched. There it goes. Let's go ahead and drag our stop loss up, see if we can get filled for another 4-tick target. And then we'll go ahead and wrap the day up. 15-minute day. Hopefully we'll have a 2-point day. Let's see if we can get filled up here. Either way, we're going to end this video after this trade. Okay, we got it. There you go. So, nice day. Thanks again for watching.